Today, I'd like to introduce a 5-liter dual planetary mixing and compaction unit designed for laboratory use. This machine features a dual twist mixing pedal, high-speed dispersion capabilities, and a Teflon wall-mounted device. The equipment as mixing pot is equipped with an electric heating element, which can be used to heat the materials. The equipment is equipped with a vacuum system that can remove air bubbles from the stirred material. Move the mixed material over to the compaction machine for preparation. The press plate of the compaction machine applies pressure to the material, forcing it out. The equipment features a button-operated interface, allowing for adjustments to the rotation speed.